everyone, welcome back to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Twila, and I got a quick question for you today. Do you Bulu? So if you haven't ever seen a Bulu Box unboxing before, that's what we are doing today. The Bulu Box is a $10 a month weight loss or healthy life box. It has supplements and all kinds of things in there. I pay $5 a month for mine for the life of my box because I used a coupon code a while back. I do have a coupon code. If you are interested in these types of boxes, you are welcome to use that. I will link that right here. And you can get your Bulu Box for $5.99 for the life of your subscription. If not, no big deal. That's great. Just to hang out and watch me unbox mine. This is the March box. Here is what's in the March box. I have enjoyed this. I'm telling you, for $5, I always get the value of my box. They send samples, they send goodies, they send all kinds of things. Mine is the original. I don't do the weight loss one. There has been many times in here where if I were paying $10 for it, I don't think I'd have been happy with my box. But for $5, I was very happy. And since that's what I pay, that's what I'm reviewing. So, okay, we have another Good Wipes in my bag swag body wipes. This is lavender. I got one of these in the last month one, I think, and it cracked me up because it says right down here at the bottom, a really big hypoallergenic wipe. That's great to take if you go do yoga, if you go work out, you can use this. If you've got to go somewhere else in between, like the grocery store or something, run some errands before you come home, you can just wipe yourself off really quickly. Okay, the next thing that they have in here is Day Clear Pain Reliever 1 dose. This is it right here, and it says it's a fever reducer, a pain reliever aid, and it has caffeine in it. That's why it's the day dose. I have taken, I don't think it was this brand, but I have used another one before. They're I don't know if this is. I'll have to let you know. It says for ages 12 up, lasts up to 6 hours, relieves headaches, body aches, muscle aches, minor arthritis, pain, menstrual cramps, gluten-free, sugar-free, and dye-free. The one that I took, it was so daggum sweet. You just drink it. I didn't like that. I would rather just swallow the pill, but we'll see about this. Happy to try those kinds of things. The next thing they have in here is another, I think I'm saying it right, Synodrin. I've gotten Synodrin in the last 3 boxes. This is the Arthritis and Muscle Relief Gel. This is maximum strength with menthol. I want to say I got the same thing last month in a tube. Yeah, and it's sealed, so I really like that that's sealed. This expires October of 2018. This expires this year. So I basically only have like 7 months to use this, but I got this in the February box. I got this. What's the difference? Maximum strength with menthol gel with immunogen, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and vitamin E. These are the same. This is 2 ounces in a tub. This is 3 ounces in a tube, but they're the same. But that's okay. Apparently they think the older I get, the more aches and pains I have. Not necessarily true, but nice to have around in case you do get muscle aches, right? Okay, the next thing we have in here, I'm not old. Why do they send stuff to me that I'm old? Oh, because I had to put my age on there. I need to go back and change my profile and change my age because, anyway. They have Vegetarian Traveler Toasted Bean Blend Garbanzo and Soy Medley. This is 17 grams of protein, and it has soybeans, garbanzo beans, salt, olive oil, soybean oil, and soy protein isolate. Nice little snack. They have lots of little things in here, little pamphlets and stuff in here. Half of them don't have anything to do with any of the products I have in here, so I'm not going to read about those. The next thing we have in here is some Amino Vital Fast Charge Energy Boost. You don't even have to use water with these, so if you need an energy boost, some amino acids, is that what this is? Natural berry flavor, lemon flavor, grape flavor, and orange flavor. Amino acid energy boost system power shot. B vitamins, instant sugar-free energy. Okay, there you go. And there's a code right there. If you are interested in that kind of stuff, you can log on to their site and use that code and get 40% off. So I'll try those. I'm not against trying those things. The last thing in here is, it is a little tub of Sun Butter Sunflower Seed, free from the top 8 allergens. Sun Butter is roasted sunflower seed, sugar, salt, and monodiglycerides. So I do like peanut butter. I do like almond butter. I don't know that I've ever tried sunflower seed butter, but I do like the sunflower seeds, so happy to try that. So that's everything that I got in my $5 box this month. Now, do I think it was worth the $5? Hard to say. Hard to say. With this, yes, because I imagine this is $3 to $5 alone. This is probably a good $3 for one of these. I don't know. This was just out of a pack. I'm sure they had a pack of a dozen or a case and they threw one in there. So little pack. So, you know, I would say because of these, yes, it's worth the $5 that I paid, but I've never been disappointed in anything that they have sent. However, I don't mind repeats, but I have been getting Synedron in my box for the last 3 or 4 months. So I'm over Synedron. I think I don't even need to go buy anything from Synedron because they've been sending them to me so much. So there's my Bulu Box for the month of March. If you get one, please let me know down below what you get. And if you've ever tried sun butter, let me know what you think about the sunflower seed butter. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this morning. Everybody come back and see me again. I love it when you do. Mwah. Bye.